Frank from Lake Mohawk MMA, and we're gonna choke this guy out, okay? We're gonna start in turtle position. I'm going over, I'm gonna take two hands and pull his arm through. As I pull my arm through, I'm gonna shoot this right arm so high, high to the sky, as I'm cupping the head still. I'm gonna grab my bicep. I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna make two fists. I'm gonna hip into him, I'm gonna catch the leg if I can. I'm gonna expand my hips and get the squeeze for the choke, okay? The second one. I'm gonna shoot my head through this spot up here. I don't wanna shoot my head here because he's gonna crush my ear. So I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna put my head by hip, I'm gonna roll him over. Now, I'm gonna grab my bicep, I'm gonna bring my hand over. I'm going to pull my wrist up in the air and my chest down. My bottom wrist up, my chest down, and get the tap. Like, share, follow, subscribe.
Big Goose!